Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. Again, hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to share a content through a direct message in TikTok. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, now to share our content through the direct message feature in TikTok, let's go to our TikTok application first. Okay, you can see a bunch of options there, but you can see an arrow option over there which is share. Tap on there and you can see the three line of sharing methods has been appeared. One is through our TikTok inbox friends who follow us back, and who we follow we can send. You can see the second line with the apps through which we can share TikTok content. You can see over there Instagram, Facebook, SMS, Fiverr, through these apps, and many more will be revealed when it have the other. And you can see the third line where you want to save video to do it, and these are all the features given by TikTok. But to share through TikTok, to TikTok followers to your account will be the first line. So if I wanted to share this content to TikTok, to my friend in TikTok, okay, let's do it for my other account right now, just for the purpose of this video. Now to share, tap on the icon of the profile to who you want to share. For this video I'm sharing to myself, and let's tap it, and you can see a bunch of emojis, and you can type a message over here if you want to, like this, and some emojis. And let's tap send to the friend or my another account. Okay, there guys, sharing a content on TikTok through a direct message is this easy. And there's a catch: if the follower or the person whom you want to send a content have not enabled their direct messages, you won't be able to send direct messages to them. But even if you send direct message, they can watch it later when their mood changes and one they are wanting to watch the direct messages they got, even though the prohibitions. You guys, and if you have any other questions or comments relating the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. Guys, thank you for watching. Peace, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos.